What's up guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the original Frontier Secret Silver Keycap Pbt 176Key keycap for Cherry Wooting ROG customized mechanical keyboard PC accessories. Let me ask you something, have you ever bought a product online and been completely disappointed? Maybe the quality was terrible, or it broke after just a few days of use. I've been there, and it's honestly so frustrating. That's why I'm excited to tell you about this original Frontier Secret Silver Keycap Pbt 176Key keycap for Cherry Wooting ROG customized mechanical keyboard PC accessories. It's the real deal. This product has been carefully crafted with attention to detail, using high-quality materials that you can actually feel the moment you hold it. It's not one of those cheap knockoffs, this is the genuine article. And guess what? Right now there's an amazing discount running. You can pick it up for only US $70.99. That's a price you won't find anywhere else. Don't just take my word for it, this product has received outstanding reviews from real buyers. It's been sold to customers across dozens of countries and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. If you want to get yours, just click the link in the description below to place your order. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more great deals. See you next time.